In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Ally credit card. This is a step-by-step guide, so please follow along to get a better understanding. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, look for your Ally credit card account. You'll usually find it listed under your account's overview. Tap on it to open the card details. You should see an option that says Activate Card. It's typically at the top of the page or under a Quick Actions menu. Simply tap on that. Next, you'll be prompted to confirm a few details, usually the last 4 digits of your card number and the CVV code on the back. After submitting the required information, tap on the Activate option to complete its activation process. Well, that's how you activate your Ally credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.